Okay, let's jump into what I'm here to talk about, which is your customers, your users. So, some key quick things. I guess coming from a UX background initially, before kind of segmenting into product more and more over the years, I would always start with customers and new products, so whether it's product invention or reinvention, in creating and understanding the persona types. Now, light persona creation is a bit airy fairy, and for a lot of projects and products it seems like a box ticking exercise. When it comes to startup world, um, it's a really important exercise, and it's one of the key things that you need to get right at the start, document it down. So really you've got to get into discussions with your partners, with your team, and start to really understand what user types or customer types at the start you're going to begin your MVP creation for. So, what do we need to know about these people? Um, what do they need to do differently today? What are the persona's priorities in using your software? What's their mental model of your offering? Their thinking and framing of what you're offering could be totally different to what you think or feel it should be. Um, what is their default behavior on the problem? Are they taking a more analog approach today? That's their natural behavior, and it could be quite difficult to move them away from that. What's their language, voice, words? How do they describe the problem, or the scale of the problem that they actually have? And what are their needs, and what's the main job goal that they need to get done every day? And do they have some success metrics that they need to measure? What are those, and why do they matter so much to them? And what similar tools do they use? I'm sure they already use some other form of tooling, perhaps in some shape or form, that covers some sort of the journey or problem, but maybe yours might do it better in a different way. And the really good advantage to this is building up the relationships with your persona types, understanding the variances between them, and understanding their day to day and where your software fits in at what time for what amount of minutes in what way.